At your wife for him.
Me pacho our kitchen.
Mama and Casa.
Okay, yo, pacho Johnson.
Mr. Wafa phone my wife.
Yeah.
What's it MP?
Hello, good morning.
Madam, good morning. Nampacho to say.
Pacho, you're answer.
Yami Adom. Madam Fone Urana. Metiwa radio so say and then the birthday Pacho Yampa.
Never try.
Oh, okay. Now be able call there.
Pacho, I be able for.
Good. Nantene then I'll be Yamano. I do come here, come here, radio, no. I say, I'm alive.
And then they just send back. I did back where hard in the corona. I cover BBR so. I'm out to mean BBR. The young cannon. A surprise birthday party. And I say, I mean, something little bit. But you see, I'm out to mean. But. Nyame Adom a yada so senkwan mu a fe baako abeka mekunu afi ho de e de radi ase
enti why na den na why no fie o what's the me kwadwo why na den
ana pe de me ye didi kakra bi ama no me ne ni no
da bi den na wo de aye no nya de wo ye
then na media aye no
why and day because o kasa asa wa bre edukumi wa bre as why and bibi
oh me nya ne hwe
be na wa bre sa no why and bibi
oh
and then I'll be catch you and then birthday
oh me wish you a happy birthday me bompai say nyankopon odi afi ebe kana afi ho de bia se de be ya obenyi ache
Mama ne edu nkasa.
We pache you mache.
Baba jo.
Mama ne mama ko 7 na opese wudi ne nne.
Ede.
Ene mama ko 7 na wunya obedi ne nne.
Ene mama ko 7.
Bibia ye di bia be 7 opese wunya obedi.
Me de diane de me sheda nya de.
Wo de bo 7. Esa umpeduane betwa bra wa abo mo wawe ne saa ja umpeduane.
Ede na ade be me.
Saa so umpeduane ntia ma obo bi na wawe ne saa.
Oh, bibia ye okay.
Bibia ye okay won. Te say.
Before bad na ni inside there.
O wife say yan kan cho so be ye obibi.
Nene me bo ame ho.
Hey! Make us be over fast and answer wow. Edu happy birthday. Yamin Shaw, Yamin Kaho.
That's it. With a team like you people, you mean say Yamin be able to quite church.
Tigo Simin Kancho say, yeah, by this time now I attend Kakraka home.
And it was me fertilizer.
Okay. I think
I feel the next minute
Odi fertilizer. Ubisa na niam open de no kan ye.
Went me anka.
Wo win nam enam.
Wo win nam. Nto no di nam.
Wo di nam win nam. Eti mo mpe nam ma na abi mpe nam ma no de ne so ne yira na wanya na. And there's a lockdown. It's be no pay commit herself and then when you won't find.
And your mom for my share your phone.
And I'm what you fanco.
Open number.
I begin to not take about ocean and much and a hundred. Susan begin hundred papa. And do come in bedroom had no one so share. To be no so share that we minimum the corner. Susan, what bread or different flavor? What bread?
Happy birthday, Yanko.
Also, deputy chief priest.
Deputy chief priest.
Now, when you say, Kumi Nipa, say, your power is into Golan, I didn't
Kumi?
Yeah,
Tigo say, one back West in Togolanda. Money Papa V, open on Modo Befrigan and West in Togoland.
Can you let me teach me that Abraka? Kojo for the oji. Kwa so betimi akọ gender minister.
Ekwa betwa akọ gender minister ho.
Betimi akọ gender minister.
No go poni bam dia ani adwane.
Adwane akọ.
Omina ase yedu nyaminsha why?
Kojo mama me no ase nyaminsha mo pa, nyaminsha mo.
Edukumi be ma wa wonim ni bia ko ne Facebook wo na ko wo na happy birthday mommy. Na ya send mobile money kakra so man why? You fan checking the local down. Apostle Dr. Samuel Amponsafrim Pong, General Secretary of War CAC. Asoro ni nyina wo na da no ye General Secretary na your birthday.
Oh, okay.
So
General Secretary. Oh, okay.
So penny happy birthday. In fact, nyami shout. Me hwe of mama atade yellow na hye na ya na odetena won che na. Hey, so for no. So for yes, you see so for bia na yere sesre ba heart I say so for ho de pa.
Na ne wo mu ne.
Yes, so
ne wo mu na so ye hwe ho no.
No, no, just say the woman you plan pa.
So for you.
So for you. So of mama said was this serious of what you.
Yes, so for you who. So for man who adwuma ya na de ntibe na so for abre.
Asudi da so ye nyina.
It's Apostle Dr. Samuel Amponsafrim for happy birthday, Papa. Nyamin shao, pa, nyamin shao. Ebeba be shao, local down ni twemu a. Ebeba wa sorry.
Captain na so when we yan for educhum.
Amudi here.
Bosomtwe.
Me MP.
Dr. Educhum.
And birthday.
Oh, okay.
One of the best deputy ministers. And MP.
Tam ombedi MP na ye kasasa. Obedi MP na so you do minister dey swat kra.
Swat kra.
Sir, me second house am see MBC on constituency.
Oh, okay.
Is you was so.
And
Dr. Yaw Educhum.
Dr. Yaw Educhum.
And birthday oni kumi na edi abom.
Nyame but omutiri na enye.
Ni fear for friend no Yaw ejapade papa.
Yaw ejapade papa.
Sir ya peja on the papa ya peja.
Yaw ejapade papa Educhum.
August ne April for no omutiri na enye. San so hwe ade abese wi ase ya. Omebe na amfre.
Captain ka ho.
Me
Oh, so me na say
April. Debe hi April.
Ese ne wasidi ne sasidi.
Hey, answer that. Me ya wo me wa this month mo.
Eno ne de.
Me.
Na be duro mpora ya de go.
Say na ko sanko. Me de ya this month o.
Eju bedi go and go job.
E be duro na se bia.
Ye bedi.
O be ni South Africa minister na ya suspended no.
Ono so wanya de.
Yes, lockdown na kwa kwetena say me na mfufu ko odi.
Wanya de o.
Young lady o. Dem shani jama bi nyo madwen so mbedi so captain ne kurom nipa
adena ma asan ma sa tiagu
ana ya wie 2 weeks ne ya wie ana
yes maka kire mu say yes ra na ye kokko ena centrofo no ka ho
asay
ye de abaka obi tuketo bi na Ghana centrofo soup ena ye brutality ye ma de military brutality ye ma de kono ye brutalize why you can never come back normal
there are some more kind o say ye de aba brasho ye de aba brasho keke
ena si be ja mo nya ya de no de he na eye
and nipa guegu kuromu no
when them say Pakistan the instruction of Pakistan ne say upia ye moto ngun
Philippines
so sa
Philippines so upia ye mbo utuo ne ye nkun
na ye state na enemy
na emra na adwumi mi kofie no police for ne te ho omo ti biase na o ma relax moto a wodi manim na nipa tu na te so omo fi
police ni kwa akokan o jina hoyi ye be kase o brutalize o onu emu na ne sika se ye de man kura ni
nsankan o sa mekana ya kokase na captain na menyanko brebo bi ono so na ye birthday friend Sarah Afua Pokua agbeto agbedi na ya wo bo atobo aso me wo ko wi ase ba biom a pesa me ya agbeni dabi na ba ya agbeni
pesa me ya
okay
se ne open na abenya de
je obi sane nyam beye pesa me ya agbeni pa
na oye medwa
pesa me free togu afede so abusuam
o pe baby ahwe de
na dem togu
ya se aba ni de kwa na pe
me ade bia ye fun bia me mpe wo
oyo bank enye oyo bank
me se nyame hu ye na wa mbọ me oba
o ma yo sida o
omende
o me ya sida
Possible.
Any tribunal.
Oh, but you also pay years ago.
And some call her baby a woman.
And man was as a
Then I hang man about my back.
Just said you open.
Mason come your bank or two for say them awano.
No Hong Kong.
I will do on our show
and send them a couple two for back.
Hey, him trace no.
As a man, I can.
Man, you are my father.
I come a yaw. I come on the down.
Now, that's your mamma, man, Sarah, if we are Pokuya Agbeto, a midwife for Susie Maternity and Health Center. Dansuman. That's why I honor Ojiawo, nurse in midwife. Yamin Shano. No fan fee be bring can in fear. Manoba, about Trebo Cornwaj or more. Why? A few queer Agbeto, Sarah.
Agbeto.
I wish I shall see a captain. You find the Ghanaian Times and shall see an opay. Now, I saw phone and net Wakanya walk me. I said, dear no more day basse COVID-19 corner. One must sing your back of what I do answer for you. Okay.
Reverend Justice appear Afo. Yeah. And then, okay. Church of Pentecost Community 20, District Pastor, Miami producer, Listo Kojo Fojo, say Papa Nay your birthday. So praise God.
Hallelujah.
And happy birthday.
Hallelujah.
I mean, Sharpa.
Finito.
Finito.
Yo. Right Reverend Ofori, no any moderator, Emma Global Evangelical Church. Right Reverend Daniel Toto, Anglican Bishop, Penny Yordan Wasafono, no so no. And a most Reverend Philip Name, President Yorda Catholic Bishop Conference, no. Penny form ye nina Kambum will say. What the other said, to Ghana for you name say COVID-19 corner, and ye back for corn. Ye cassette in a fear, who was out in a fear, in a fear. Who was so bedjuma, brejuma. Wo wasa wo boban na enye se wo biye ye na famu de ne emfa nkokon no sa ankoba ne sa na sa we yes o me de me nimra so we su se beja me fa wo se eniema begu eti Ghana fo nyina nkambo mu na okon no entumi enkoso Ghanaian Times asan so de nkontabu aba sesei COVID-19 case ni yadu 313 o aha sani dumiensa ene yeduro ye koyanim ena nipa so awu mu no say yadu nsia 6 nipa 6 na awu ya chese nkontabu empanifo de ba say ya no wo ka se hwe wo so yie na yade no ewo ho no mo pa enko ba bia woni etone fish ewo temane ne potemu tema habofo ena omo se o ma hyemre bi se COVID-19 nti no enka woton fish as say yes ba kote ha na ba kote ya montete montem yes na no omo kodu ho no mo amai na kabubom wo mo tetare mu se fish ibi wo ka seti mu ase na ma pani no da fish ton fo na no se wa suspend omo ma 15 so omo nkofie fish no mo mfama de nkofie na mo nkɔwe se o se ansa no mbesi ha bo ho no je se COVID-19 na twam entwa mu amamma
simple.
One say a beer to me the mra to twakwamu, and ya fin or better say, and a restriction imposition bill where he from there be was so more honor. You can't send me when you show was switching at the mouth. 18 May 15 in coffee. Say COVID-19 a between 2030 class, I bring on meton fish, and try one more moose with the one we say, Emra, and Yadia so mudim raswa, a ye into a monko, baby on person mukobiano, or monfo massam enco. Na GJ for so na dia to dwa say hens entwe for frontline workers na ye ka ho wo mo sin entwe for ka ho eti alawa no ebi mra alawa no ebi mra bibi aye che bia eni eti hei mo fa bi mro alawa no 50% no ye si aba so na ntwe o wo se asembe na omuka
asembe na omuka
asema na omuka no
we frontline there we here
se sabre ya ebi ada no a wote ha no frontline workers so mo ye adwuma eso ye adwuma etu amusi bimra na companies no radio stations ni so bi won mo egu stimulus packages no ebi nko packages no yem package
de ntina ma na egu
say adwuma ni ho adverse ma
na ho twepe no
ebi
na wo twemi enu pe ne bugu abai number stimulus he package
na ebi nyina yie dada asam na serious
okay yenye frontline workers nye we na GJ hia
edi esu na esu kasa menye frontline workers
say wo ni award wo mo sanka o ma award no dada de no ene hia
na hina de afei
Wo ma win DJ awards da ya omo nsan ka no.
Eda na ne ka sa.
Ena hia. Ena number 1. Number 2. Ye boss entrodia ya na ye ntehwi hwehwe statement nkwa no mu issue de keke no. Eno na hia.
Enti anu ti ya nya frontline workers.
We ya frontline worker.
Enu ti nam se kasa wo no because me front line.
We are front line.
Nam ti ani.
We are front line.
Nam ti ani mu.
Asem wa wo ken. Anasifo ni adokota
fo dia chire. Obeka we na the next time you to ama na anasa den.
Okay, wo dey hwe ni say yo mu mienu.
Dabi.
Ti se sika no ba mu ni.
Yeah, yempe.
Dabi na sika no bi di sika bi beba.
Bra.
Wo di bra de won kan because so ma hu say wo kra mpeska. Captain sika no ba mu ni. Cutting.
Mempe.
Capito Sicano.
Sika we na sese obekasa aban fama
50% onye.
Hwana de bro.
The cave ya pokura to gotem DJ ni be na di na chi court da.
Eti sika no ba wonye.
Je sika we ni ya pe.
Na sika hwana de sika no bro.
Ekwa de nkrofo on ka se.
Enye ma bi won ma. You I mean you made the appeal. Appeal na aba no.
DJ enye we ni hia. Ebo we don't. The enye front line workers bi ahu obi afa title bi amre.
This is lovely.
The enye front line workers bi ahu.
Ja for money wasem no ma shutu ni dan no. Ma shutu ni
front line workers bi front line we.
Ayo finito
finito dia ene daily graphic na mafai na
finito finanka bio mosto mompa munya be ba dia medi
yabuni kom say eje
yabuni kom eje
na daily graphic na mama sui krata na dia be ba ha boyi kapte unim say nka o kire nyankrompon tweri ampa boss ro ne asase wa ma nka Yesu be huna mane
share good Friday.
Ka Yesu be huna mane pa. Nkamanfo nso woko.
Bakacho ochina crusade na eba so. Pentecost crusade na eba so.
Online.
Also for bedito e na ebe preach. Pen TV online dem. Crusade na ye.
I dey convention mum.
Debbie. Online crusade.
Big one. Ni aka ne say ya ma pata.
Online crusade. Yeah.
COVID-19 adaroma. Afi wa ma Yesu ehuna mane. Na ro na krata ya twera ba se ye ka fitin ra kopim juada de nka empata ja prat be se no
ere ka empata
e we gba canopy
no ho ajo no
ya back
ese afi we instrumentalist e wo ga no mko bo shabonye obeden didi
na musicians ni susu pa o
no organize program
who organize it
sa ko de anwumi academy
na niema academy bi ni nyum
enum kwa da se chiro betum da ba
go niema academy yesi bi ni
go niema academy
eno obi frame o say smart say president is yenye kwan bi enu wa ebetimi afa so betimi ne na akasa ma menam say chief of staff
na unje no ho
fra wo frame no wa asema o ka chem say sam wo ye me chief of staff
mo we di amfo
nka mo ne president kasama ya ye nua no mafia abrochire ba ye na sesei yare muju pepepa omu ina beko
but o man ka say yenye won yensa body aye ensa body aye pedi
edi pedi oni nim so de
private funeral ye
we de o de shebrante de kaya de ne tumpem nansa na ye mo ne president nka man ka betumi aye ne park so ya tete ye ntem ye be ye ne park
oh tete ne ntem no akwejina ye
ne park so ko why ye not so funny me chief of staff
oh tete ne ntem no akwejina
ye tete ye ntem ya de ye nche
so ne on che
nka ye be tete ye ntem park ne so your park akase mienu ekwan pe ne twentemu nti e hye ne ye besi no
o ma plan
o ma wi on bibia
eti
aiwa ohene no ma find 60,000
ohene ba ya
ohene na oda paka mu ye yi no ho
sir
o mi sin form temper she I want it
Dabi o we dey afam kon
video be kra me
information minister pa na afam kon kafra la feel we dey man say
kata ya kafra
o tun fa kra threaten say lockdown no confirm onya na himvi obetu ni pe obetu ni pe
na krata idi abasa Christopher o mayi mu nyina Yesu amane hunu bre ya fi Yesu ehunu amane de Yesu ehunu dada ti se de wo mu dada no o mu santim wo mampa ye mu oduro enkoma man yi paye mu oduro pa na moderator ma ba asrasafo opening kase most the professor right Reverend Professor Joseph Obri Yabo Amanti me me name na wodi atu dwase empire no
president professor so professor bakuno omutu abama na anche
Professor Mati
ma te ko no ba ko bi bae
ono kra de ase wan sheda system no kese what's a Trinity College ninti no o school no wo papa
professors wo
doctors professors hopa na krata de asembia ba awre hopa
omanyo e fe no omanyo
kati yesi agbobloshi so na da no ja to ho na enuadan na ja
agbobloshi edwa no yantum
na de ma ne to mu nie oba yi a odi omo hwehwe na tese oba de ja no ekoto mu Zamrama Wood Market agbobloshi na wo kire se omo ne kwabrane na tie na wahye ne nyinsen nyo no nko anso asan hye ma mienu nyinsen aka ono ho na se ma miensa wo wie ya wono agya wo ho no akwa tena da foforo mu woni oba foforo
apart from train no
asenya ba kwa bodo
na ya na sa lobido no mko fa ne hia
nwa se
mo hwe bi ma yen
eno ba na de hu abufuo ene kratwen de jakotumu atradadadada wa hye nyoma ho nyina tizedie omunya ba bi ombeda ama aware nso abase ne gu amu na ewo no
yemfa the new crusading guide so ento aswe na da wonka te so ne ne de ene wode aba ni nyina COVID-19 na ho nsem mo masam no America no a eya ni bresam amode yenye no hwe we kura the front page o hwe the crusading guide the front page or say announce stimulus package for frontline media practitioners asam no eya yekese crusading guide ya babani mu sika no a wo se man sentwerefo bi front page o no wode ato ho se kese say a frontline media practitioners package no monfamra stimulus package monfamra ewom
na sa shankafo nya so be mo
and yama drivers ni bi yama taxi drivers ni so bi wom say frontline
ye ba wom na dia ba
samo
nanka say
ode ma ye wie ma me wie ahoma so ye wie ya to papers na so ati nja frontline ya fama doctors and nurses no health professionals no mo hwe nipa nja frontline ma me kwa ahoma no so na fe me ne Honorable Atoforsen, Ranking Member, Finance Committee of Parliament. Honorable, what's in coming? Watch channel pay.
Pachamejodo.
Nampa Chotsen Dane.
Adom who ye papa.
Your board did not room. I answer you who ye papa. Finance Minister, the statement about Parliament over coronavirus alleviation program. And Pachone would say na this statement na in then.
Okay, what can ended the Finance Minister the statement not about Parliament. Obisa a Ghana Brashebejafo, Kankan Finance Committee of Parliament today. Young consider the Asama wasting one or emergency, two sika in New York. In see Yamanokwan now on spend the sika in feed the what do you call it, the contingency fund no more. Now Obanedaman Finance Minister Bakatra Hende Opisika 1.2 billion Ghana cedis na wenya kwanna oda bonebra betumi da ye edwuma do osedo odiye na da mekanye de odikan ya support de yebutum ya fa kwan papa bido ne ya boa nkankana hona owofuma lockdown ya wabe odi ahokyere sonko oda brahon nti ho behia de ye de misika ne yerba mahon ye sika ne mu pensen na odba botu gwade Odi can ohia 40 million Ghana cedis or that trades ban at Magana for wo Accra Kumase Kaswa in onye tema them baby anani on no behin sika that trades ban amahon. Now we saw besan 40.3 million Ghana cedis, 40,300,000 Ghana cedis or that to or ye is ban dama buffer stocks. In fact, buffer stocks, the buffer stocks were quoted ban, not the major ban, so what chair in the form of food stuff. Oh, you know, not also catch a hand there. Oh, yeah, health workers, frontline health workers, about to one equity by 50%. Them 50% no but one equity, oh, yeah, 50 about cost Ghana 80 million Ghana cedis. In the area, they work frontliner on your honor. The who be here, the 50% increment near Bamahono or cut across the health profession. Send Ubiarabo no another Ubiaro contribute in diverse ways or the bois Mayabeya Waba Boto or money na yendi able to me to Nase. Now, all your finance minister Cassivi, no say or Mampino Casa also a parliament or the catcher hende. Opesika 241 1.42 million Ghana cedis. Obeye tax na omanpayin kada wobeye fi oye health professionals and wonder no we ye fi wonder. Maybe sounded them health professionals now work on one private sector another wakahubi another or only public sector another or your private sector and public sector. In the finance minister be tell me there private sector say your nurse or private sector in Kahubi. Nambum say doctor our private sector in Kahu. No be account in Hona or your front line of funds and Hona Wakaha or your de Wutumutia Honka or Obama on them tax rebating. Now them tax rebating the pedo any day. On more tax exemption, but rather no be if you contingency fund no they tax and amahon. Yes, that be one of them. That one any day. Oh yeah, Omanpenyin the finance minister Butumwaba Parliament under Article 174 of the Constitution. Now we ask the Parliament there, you waive them tax of 242 million in Fido. No one yapan the monk sabe Dr. C. Our Yuma frontline here across the country. You to me, I then want them tax exemption. Let them tax exemption. So one sounds wise tending to the private sector. Now you catch on the young Shebidra for your minority, ya crowd of the Yabobwahon, emas a year the tax I can here over private sector, offending all the U3, you supporting a Ramon waiver, no way ye fiddle. Number them sika 241.42 million Ghana cedis, approximately 242 million Ghana cedis. On use the Mexicano, number on share Accra, Kumase, Tema, and now you offended then Kaswa. No on share Bibia. Osafata said, Union no more Wababetinefie because of the situation in all community, we use more electricity. No one for subsidize or domestic consumption of electricity. Osan de mini asma ya kan yoriboko. The ya kan ye de CCR ya kan waseni. Ekwa households da o hawadwene kese ema obiara nye electricity bills, onye nsu bills. Osande ibi no mo fie krampo sebe nsu ye kan wasem pipe oni ho ibi no ho wofa wofa den tanker services in a whatever one fee. But eko ifie biara ma another households biara adza o hawadwen kase mahon kasangasa onye electricity. Osande senka no tua 2 cedis e wo electricity inde ibebu tua by 50 cedis. Sisi ya kase nyimpa wa ba betinefie. Ewia wom oshorobo or show wokrom into because of that into shedem onto me shedem although also fun another also TV another also ne fridge sedo amanetum nenye to ma je wetum wa shedem them the main now we have to consider yakada say 242 million on average so somewhere what we can do in there be a bakraya e be isolate baby a sebe sikafo no watsen e be ye be accountment efim e be East Legon efim nambom ahwe baby a sebe yeni anuni a woye vulnerable a woman na worry breakase you were lockdown ya be no hasam or come kase no na amahon them tax offending subsidized electricity bills it amahon only asema ye to or your finance minister nim yes also do to nim there you be here the being a bipartisan offending committee obo hwe dem sika sebe hin na no ya Ghana sika hin na ye that what one for said them ya yarebe and they one from bua no etumi da ye ibinye de one CCR ka say which is 40 million Ghana cedis was one from trade ban hot food 17 magana for wo Accra Kumase enonye Tema enonye yes Accra Kumase and Tema enonye Kaswa what the bobasho hon but CCR ka say do be mo wan there you bo hu the party executive bi another party could be non-crofo no would the adenim no create impression the political party be na what them on second so one political party Sikano sebe ofi Ghana amani nara yenchen ofi Ghana fu ina yensika o sika wa crew o tax revenue in a dinsu o sika ye date ato ye stabilization fund with about contingency fund mu nti obeye won there party crew bi no crofo what they chill another sikana what the trade banan what my party crew bi no crofo into them so they make sure that the mazi now only honti one man set up a bipartisan committee made up of the political parties ni na yam brought together you make sure that it's bania worichi one chair my party crew number another party ko number watch Amagana Fina, another party could be on Concofa t-shirt and a party from painful, no one day chill, the seven, it's Banawadi or a wonder, or Sunday, it's Banawadi or your wonder, or your Ghana Banina Yensika, near Dama, a finance minister, the Uncle Concocha. Even a candidate, what's Waka Kofa, BB or Freno, Obama loan be with Dama small, medium enterprises across the country. Them COVID-19 one must say that hotel about them companies you want. Now we critique 600 million Ghana cedis or that in the form of a soft loan. In the yesterday this finance minister there. Soft loan in terms here. What is the interest rate? We put you in fear in what boot yakao the back Ghana money now. Now, urban companies, another urban industry, will qualify. What are the major qualifications? I draw better there. Say, I don't know more qualify, another more qualify. Move to a and work there. Media houses, we say the city pass another kind there. Who be here there? Media houses maybe will benefit. Yes, I agree. I agree in the sense that say it's here. All your media houses see one major source of revenue or your advert. As a result, some of my companies do work close to the downway. We are sure that by now companies they've been poor from work on one cancel on advert because we'll be a cut cost. And so advert now will cancel now because excuse me to say, but the country is on a lockdown. In fact, shut down because businesses now over the key part of the country are kind of Kumasi Tamana Kasui. They don't know what to see. Into say income number frontline media houses here work cover story. City Americans in time with you by whole way. You were not only at work, but you were disseminating information to the people of Ghana. Information that the people of Ghana, what about them, Ghana for 7 welcome to 1 year, what by year 7 been over to news now, then in Kahonsu walk or lockdown, in Chanka country, no KDM for so the role you also play no is significant. In the same way, the companies be brain, so companies will collapse. How to pay their staff is a problem. If multimedia was in form of revenue, 1 2 minutes another one workers or send a host they deserve to be paid. On internet on Mampenin and the finance minister or the Madrid parliament, or then or the blueprint to be back. Now you would them what are the sectors of the economy and what will benefit from it? Now, what is the cap? The in the company you find a medium company which means 2 million, another 5 million, another 10 million Ghana cedis. Small companies say they want 500,000 Ghana cedis. Excuse me, these are scenarios I don't expect if finance minister. Now, so Ben when two Mama can be the other man. Now, the auto okay chill crying there. Okay, or you see 200 million Ghana cedis we try to hope. Then 200 million Ghana cedis was the electricity water bill across the country. Maybe the 200 million when I water bill across the country. We have community water providing so. Your water is the water for the Magana for Mahina. We send the feed the brain soon be him. If the tanker services you walk since you can free or walk on petrol. No what I can work out soon, no about the distribute. Now the council never make sure that what did the moon solution or Bocofia or it was said or send up an Honko. The mean and one them break down and they are expecting. I mean, you would abandon say if Vanessa didn't make an announcement, what is important is its implementation. So implementing here as some canina on Kofum and Fasorambaho. In Tia make sure that the ordinary Ghanaian said also factor that will be benefited from the Maji will be benefit. Then we see can wait at what now you're going to use the canoe.
Okay, honorable,
oversight and government expenditure. The Bosnia Magana media no was Sapaka. Can you catch one of you have Bamfaso, Amame, Bamfaso Amao, and benefit individual, another political party. Another said that buying out the no conference, so they make sure they will benefit the Ghana media. On top of the on top of the area, so Asafata, their Ghana is a cash for Amahinala, to be an attacker and to send the secretary Amna with a Yandia.
Ono ba wo oba ne sika sam no ntoto ya eyaze nyimu yi. So koban de aban ba fankane ho kaw wa fansu wa faidiban ena nyama nketenkete bi a oriye minyim de wona wo fi akwentum be ya wo quarantine woni na so hotel a wo day na zibana wo zi na no so no no so ye free health workers see 50% of their basic salary was a common akutua ho one sansu ntua tax bo so me baasa da awunyim sikasem yakeka nyina bom ne yedi abanda after COVID-19 abesika ne yezibabo man ho bra.
Okay, Odikan mami me there o manye na interfere. The reason why yes nkofu nkofo mnyi de won konkoti ne fie anade ba mo won po enyi de se ya hwe ne yi de se ya be odi nsema obugu o man no completely yen economy no bu collapse completely to the extent they be here is degree and send you to me a rebuild economy them sasunti edwuma o de ye nden o de make sure de ya ye nden ya ye ne yi ne ya agbo ya be ho ba ma wanjin sem wo yen kro yi mo Odikan oni se yes nkofo yen konkoti ne de me the city yes Ghana fumba wo won kan wo kumase wo wotema sebe binom wakasoa won konkotene fie enkofu so won konkotene fie sebe bi wo ho a oye edwuma oye no wala tu wala sa ebi nso wo ho a oye by day edwuma no oye sende wankwa a otumi ni panon kontene de dia single room no da single room yo dey o show wa dan no mo fan wo ho won yi sika obotu that to petrol or that on electricity the way your connection dey into only to come to electricity or so na part of our big na bon thing there be stand up and also dem or show or incident na ho the dem ho na for show ho no incident na ho o kwa bon tina so interest and there on then on comfort na dem on incident na dem it's a police phone ho na wo media work for bon thing o ka to the be one incident na one day e be dey nyimpa no wo no kwa wo doso and before dan no nyimpa doso ho me azo protein no between one we nu age in the will be entertainment for dynamo e be a TV do work e bi anyi pa meta fridge bi wo ho we dey ice water dey with tumanam e bi a fan bi wo butun wa body wa dem from akaka enwa these are basic things into electricity moving here ankasa only thing ya ka there some areas you can decide to isolate it but you can't maintain it but you rate na adi yesim but you offend is legon na zesim because them areas you know what consume power keso. The could be said, why excuse my language, they are slums. They are coffee brew, another union door, another said that them coffee Kawansemi, we know we have the data as a country. The bottom, ya make sure that the moon coffee, Yamahon rebate. Second, Kawansemi, or you available. I've been to Macadam. A banner send there, tax, no ya banana, a banner be ya is the canoe, the coach tax. Well, after the Martin did that. The Martin accident penny semda. When I use abusing government money to pay government debt, what time to do basic offset so that she can work at the dear daughter. Once I can them seek 241.42 million year Kawasini. The total Ghana Abanade. Abane. Under the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, Article 174 of the Constitution, Parliament here will waive tax. Only thing I buy the kind answer hotel be by I buy the by Parliament. You waive under Article 174 of the Constitution. You waive man. You waive man more cray. A kaya on my opinion ne your friend then nakunta ne hotel ya obey me capacity. If it's today hotels you contractors are but don't know about Parliament but you waive one tax obligation. So I didn't to waive a tax obligation for our health workers.
No,
so Parliament can waive that obligation. You waive that obligation. Now, 242 million approximately. You know, we can use that money. They are subsidized electricity in the madam areas. I don't think that will collapse the economy.
Okay.
What is the percentage to GDP? 0.01% of GDP. Already we are making expenditure. Because every household that will spend 100 Ghana cedis, it will water no. That same household will spend about 1.5 to 2 million, 15 million to 20 million. It will light. It's a lighting, particularly in those areas, because those areas, one consumption also for them. Now, to see kind of which or significant for them. On the to say brand no option no use 242 million from taxpayers' money to pay government tax on. That is not the best way. But rather, that 242 million, no, women use the Mexican, no, rather, no, young friends subsidize electricity where places like Kaswa. Young friends subsidize electricity where places like Awoshi. Young friends subsidize will be to the Nima. Young friends subsidize will be to the Mamobi. These are the places that we can identify. You identify them places in we will be able to subsidize electricity for the poor, particularly for domestic use. And I believe that on say economy, even Togo, my brother, Togo as a country, nobody can tell me that Togo, one economy is sound or better than Ghana. Into Togo, we have subsidized electricity for the people that we are talking about. So why can't we do the same? We can do it. Or it's something that is possible, something that we have to do it. All what we have to do is simple. You realign expenditure. You realign expenditure. 40 million Ghana cedis for food. Yes, it is important. For how long? And who are we targeting? It's important. I don't think they are going to target the people of cantonments to give them food. That is not the way.
Okay.
In the same way you are targeting those people, let us also use electricity and target the right people. I doubt they will break economy because obviously it's not going to break the economy. It's not for the nation. On your job, the whole country. Or you are Accra and Kumasi, Tema, and on ye of anything, Kaswa. And Accra and Kumasi, Tema, on ye Kasui, Ebankana. You live in the idea or yet in quote, supposed rich area. So we can isolate those ones from there. I believe that they made me a electricity company 1 year mahena on take one by 1 hour put you date another man. Electricity at them, some of these areas will consume. But Sunday, what them information in other.
Honorable Pacho, Mammy Busawe, and I am Fentrato, Bakuna de Bedroom, President Akunta Hotel, Name Peoname Busao, Dacrose. And for so dear woman, pa more mining in a sense will be based in the private hotel number with taxes also. Hotel na ken. Abam faso no bodo more mining in ande in fin and dachi. This will be based in the private hotel. Was there parliament motina for na for with taxes if you do?
You know, I think that the massive Maka wants some mature article, mature letter, a chairman of the finance committee, wants some baby. Ghana ha ye wambra or guide or your strategic investor no on any GIPC mbra Ghana Investment Promotion Center mbra one law or Ghana Investment Promotion Center mbra na wo Ghana mem ha no that dey o kan there say obi or baby na so say o sika na opedo be investment wo yon krom ha or you did them in pan odisika $50 million or the back. Let them $50 million in minimum or the best check for you no ma a sebe Ghana and Babun and Branson and Catasium when you come out more way. Obandama or any panel or your strategic investor net or dancing or your tax then offer waffle on a woman one more Ghana and Babun. And so this Baba yet the set up company waha or they make sure that it's $50 million or that fee amonane or that bakrum ha on a focus more foreign direct investment FDI. Now over surprise with the low hotel ya kamasi I want tax exemption. Them hotel sika wadre bakrum ha on buy $50 million no who simple. Infinite day. Sika na lana wadre bakrum ha no wadre baby si hotel no. What they can warafa or ye Ghana banks, consortium of banks, or ye consolidated bank Ghana, and will raise the $94.5 million with the Tia hotel. After we raise the Riano, a Jumano Rano, or your friend Ura Yantichino, or the Onosunisika, or ye company be our friend Ghana Infrastructure, Investment and Infrastructure Fund, GIF. Or you Ghana mine I end or you work partnership. Now when I didn't work a partnership no gave for number for 45, na yan teaching was for 55. Gave for no so or your Ghana or money na end or for Winsika if you If no you Ghana money na yen siko into sika no fiama no reba into also unqualified as foreign direct investment. Papa ye ka wan se me ni sika odebaba is about 14 million Ghana cedis. $14 million. Them $14 million. Maybe said the papa no or sika odi fi baby reba another nine sika or se or bobosa who Ghana money mala there. Into clearly in the criminal them loan here approving for poor man. The tax exemptions they them company no won't deserve the one second because Ghana criminal they do not qualify when some factor.
Okay.
They will be demanding about $50 million and do the second or what it's not an FBI.
Honorable saying in an American in a dama not on some fata. You on the stage workout, Martin how approve it.
Oh no, you notice the minority. You criticize it, you vote against it. Go and check the hands out. Parliament in them.
All right.
You criticize it, we voted against it. We said we need to work out because if you work out, there's another business before you are all there. Into work out into some business. Into you voted against it, voted no. Yes, the man who don't support it. Into Hazard or public information or homobia. And this should be beneath or support it, the one for them alone and one for man. We didn't support it.
Okay.
We held press conferences. I wrote letters. I published it. The records are there to prove the exercise. We voted no.
Mamanda was the BBS teacher, but on Safro.
Masamedasi.
As some we know, COVID-19 in Yamiya Domine Brasia, Yabekwa Faba. Yeah. Case way, Sa Hotel no, and who issues no. COVID-19 ne kofoma, many case no. Sanet said, yeah. Mema maybe person your job ba obeka that the same for China you be call parliament you will tax in free so you be cause asem nim but I know the COVID-19 no free ho kwa you be kan ho asem yen kan eye Yulo Krobo Municipal Assembly wo mo de krata abeto abonten ye tro krata on 2nd April 2020 measures to curb COVID-19. We mean Nigerian president can come COVID 19. COVID 19. The Ilokrobo Municipal Assembly has noticed an influx of people into the municipality due to the partial lockdown of Greater Accra and the Greater Kumasi as announced by His Excellency, the President of the Republic on Friday 27th April 2020. In view of that, the Municipal Public Health Emergency Committee, together with the Municipal Security Council, has taken the following measures effective 3rd April 2020 to curb the spread of the coronavirus within the municipality. Honorable Abina Osei, Deputy Minister of Finance, and Dwaso. Mabina Mache.
Nampacho Ian Captain Smith.
Na bibia eboko de.
Nyankopon adom bibia eboko.
Yene honorable to force and bon komo sesia na o kyerese eniema aban ne si obeyedi na no nka wonso adwene mu no aban ne momodin aso ode free electricity nso beba be ka ho se de be ya amanfo nye nsu ankasa nko na omusu na mom titru no eye kane eka benim se bia finance ministry betimi consider we ya.
Mpacho yo edasi omacho madwin na enra ye ka cho mo se e kanu eye bibi ya eda ho aban e hwese obe si anu nkaka na ni ma bebi so e wo ho a ehia ye manfo a aban e hwese obe buana wa reduce the impact of that pandemic here we yin na ye so nkaka you beshe necessary yeshina
na mame eniema aban edema free asa me yesu echire kakra he say yen show health workers e wo manyim wan hwe yi ade beba ne say manfa yanka ho a ye be withdraw your services ne ade enti anhwa na ye de every health worker so your front liner na ye bet obia bosome miensa ontua tax obia so no bosoma ketua de 50% ebe kana ho eno achi no aban e nuanuane me anda me hu aduane ne bi na me kondo menye bi amedi wo hwe dokro no ne sardine ne se de esi hye robo mu eti wona eno nipa over 240,000 over the Greater Accra area nkoa move to Kumasi over 178,000 over Greater Kumasi ekwaye nimi no other districts baba be ka ho later enso so baba be je aduane ne bi eno achi no ye nis baby e de sika free senior high school yen ya sika kro ya yi ena ye de aban ye twa to ho a ye de ma ye aposifo ne other security agencies almost they bo ye ho ban besia aban akwa akopede ya beto ye de ma small medium and large scale small and medium enterprises and sa nyama aka we and I think ye kumukra ne nsuo said the whole Ghana is about between 102.8 million Ghana cedis every month for 3 solid months. Ye be we COVID-19 sika ben na mpacho ye be nya de abo man ho bra.
Me da se we the mistress me correct idea kakra na for the monthly water bill from Ghana Water almost showing say 65 million. It's 65 million times 3 no. And a year 195 and there are other sanitation kakra any tanker waters so the ka ho na 200 if you know 200 e wo ho no crese
mpacho ma me we dey boa me kakra bi o se Ghana Water forecast says sika ne yesay
another average of 65 million a month.
Ye managing director of Ghana Water kasa wo fie ha o ka kire yen se bosumi a wanji sika kura bosumi a omantimi anjeje kura no omoji 85 million Ghana cedis mebwa
eno no nye 100% no omoji no enu 100% collection
100% it is all the 65 for bramwa no be ka 85 for kura say 100% na e me wan kakra
me paucho numbers no ya ni omu dinkika ho ansana ye budget for numbers and that is what and the actual sir that is what we have if you know na you show more ye dey humanity what the coronavirus alleviation project taking 65 no times 3 plus tanker waters no any sanitation bit no and I in yaka ho na edu sampempen na edu no no correct sani awu kan say and ye na the nyame ya dum na se corona ni twemu a and sika ben ye benya we are hoping say the corona no ano ebre asia ye revenues no ebe improve kakra na afetri ye oil revenue na enu bi nyenya ene ye de free SHS no so ejidi say ebe stabilize kakra and if the need arises na ye say ye share other sources of funding say your reserves say other things so did you say you do why you be share na ya catch Ghana for through parliament no mo man approval na the FCC ye ka ho na yen so ya ka
e ba ne sa oye yina ye beti ase obi abehunu se oman ni mu sika ni nyina no ye dia COVID-19 yen so kakra na ye woni na akura na ya na besia na ye bo kakra de so ya brabo yi so e ma ye mbo besia dodo
the we ebe wow ama wo so waye den na wo so man for survive so no na your call parliament say omo man permission nanka ye lower cap from 300 million to 100 million na excess no ye mfengu contingency fund ye mfendi djuma eno na ye call ya na ye nya 1.2 billion sika no ebi so edaso wom and after when they be nya oil revenue so ye di bi egu Ghana stabilization fund into the some inflows via a bemu kakra to near the next say you use other channels other sources you did say you be catch Ghana for through parliament a parliament for a way issues na no mayen pinia no omoji pinia na kwan bi e say yen see fa na other sources ni nyina yen saka na ye di adwuma yen see dey ayi adwuma
Honorable kasane mu no de bibi be wo mu say president akunta hotel bi mu we taxes bi na won qualify fi so menim say bi obepese obeka ho asema.
Yo. My me as a payment church mu ade kaka. GIPC ewo mrabi another the GIPC on that your friend saying plus 26 section 26 ekase say obi ebana or yebeye investment with a minimum amount of $50 million and above or qualify as a strategic investor. Now as a strategic investor no, you have the permission if you want or you have the right to be exempted from taxes. This particular company Baba Basic Hotels no investments are almost $136 million. $136 million. And based on assessments near year and in your man or carbon tax exemption to the value of $23 million. Now, Captain Smart, this is the first time you did a strategic investor tax exemption ever Parliament. 2015, there are several companies. This is EcoBank, Tank Palace Hotel, Jata Cement. Several other companies came under the strategic investment rule and they got huge tax exemptions. It didn't come to Parliament. Well, how do you know whether the person qualified or the person didn't qualify? It was subjective to GIPC at that time. But this time, we brought it to Parliament. Parliament scrutinized it and confirmed that investment to the tune of 136. And based on that, or qualify for 23 million. It is a rule. It is in the law. We didn't do anything outside the law. But several other companies in 2015, they were never brought to Parliament. So as to whether they met its crumple, it's in doubt. We can say so. So it's in doubt because Parliament didn't scrutinize it. But this one, we brought it to Parliament with all the attached documents, with all the assessments that Ghana Revenue Authority and based on that, we arrived at this. With the investment, looking at the investment, or qualified because it's way above the $50 million and threshold. And see, there was no wrongdoing in this thing, and it's the person really qualified, or the company really qualified for the tax exemption that was granted.
But am I pass choyam fancy? I am ya Adom na COVID-19. It should money ya pet time. Ne ya kwasi. Why? I've been also sorry, Deputy Minister of Finance. That is 7 no a bon common for in a man holding swamp person and free. Ghana for a pennyama free.
In Kanyama free. Ye
pennyama free. Then no be trusting me to Facebook. But Tabana Honorable Cynthia Morrison Ekasano say just one sardine you are bragging.
Zana ni parakai.
I'll try.
No sardine was it one just
one sardine.
When you nipa be invited to sardine be
sir will reply na kwet sa Adom FM na reply. Enti memfi
na ignore na
na kan pese me busa na say ono the whole year we sardine saying. Eti yellow crobo. Almost number 1. President nya partial lockdown. E won kran ni Kumase no na nkofo gi twi begu wo mo district nim. Also mo district no ahoho nko agi kuro nim afa.
Omompamo.
Eti wo wankasa mo be lockdown.
Mo ani eno anu.
Ebi mo ayedada wo.
Wo da to bona tie. O say enam senti no. Efi da mo tro sa akrata no. Ekwan bia wo district to go bia no yesi no. Ya the barrier say esi ho. Wudru ho a wo ye hwan ye be check temperature.
Good to check the temperature na dey good.
Na dey toss ye busa baby afri ni baby out na ade a wo ye wo district nim.
Wenya no bia papa no.
Wenya no ye papa bia ma. Say pe baby do fa.
Away.
Number 2. Apostle for soldier for immigration for the Ghana Health Service. Be judge na sabari nyina. Se wudru ho na dey ombe catch on wo se wundi so wuntia. Court to 28 na ye yisi emfanya COVID-19 no. Emienu ho ye do be ko ho.
Oh, lovely.
I feel trotro. Any taxi bia.
What's what be by?
What's what nipa ba why you nim wo no. Wo asem yi ano. I feel taxi. Wo be fam yenu wachire. Ene ba ko pa ka driver no ho animu. Trotro be fa ba ko e wanimu aka driver no ho. E kire ho so de bia mienu. Na trotro na emu ye chekire bo no. Ba ko. Untimi mfama ne mbro. Afe hotel guest house bia ewo ho no efi 30th March besi ne. Enipa beda ho ina fomudi ne wo list bra wo mo.
Fantastic.
For this this we me share me bomb nsama man guruta.
Juma no anu aye no.
Efi 30th March eba no. Guest house or hotel o. For list ne bra ye ne hu sa asemasi beda wo ho ofri ha ne bae. Afei obi ankope Veronica bucket dey be don fancy ho.
Fantastic.
Why e bedru ho a woni bi no. Hotel no be kokkoto ho akoyia no. Be simple.
Sa
afei hotel bi anya thermometers ne bi wo ho. Na yen check guest no temperatures. Ni yen famra. Ye to so bi o say all pubs, all betting centers, all drinking spots, yatum until further notice. See the entire wire the sign say the beboa sa social contact distance in the bay juma fe contact tracing and so no ma be sha so district no so bay juma. Afei food vendors, chop bars, any restaurant. Yes, munya juma. Ehia. To boy. Ya na de blem sem kai. Mo sankrofo ni nyina no. Munya juma na mom why baba be cho sa wo ton dokono. Na the table ni chair si ho. Mo bi ti ho didi dokono no ho no.
Say yenye ni take away.
Oh case bag na fama nipa no no mfanko. The toss we will say information service department. Any other stakeholders. More information centers and what electoral areas and what district no muni na mu na mu ka mo radio presenters by force. Mo be bo am ya bode wuro. Said the be ya hodidie no betimi akosoro. And so sa period mu no almost I will say police and the emergency response team of the assembly womo ebe step up patrols. Ti sa won pe ho asema wo muduru ho na ye busa wo kosa nyabotre na yi anon koye gugwa enwotwe tenafie as much as possible. Ya sit tenafie de toso enkono asore yatum mosque yatum mo bompa o park so yatum den nyina yatum na convention conferences retreats picnics meetings injina no so eyade a yatum ti obi an hye so se obedi san hye yi so honorable opening PK Asamoah municipal coordinating director ono sign here edema chief executive no mumpa chief executive officer na mame wate we ya boss dada okay enti Damaco Roofing, Duraplast, NLA, Societe Generale, Vodafone, Agbeve Herbal Center, any latest form ni so wa ye de ye naposo no e de bre wonti ye dane ye ho aba ye ba ye be ko yulo krobo na ye ko bonsa mama DC no ye na bo komo ato aso ye wi a na ye de aka no no ndubo a na ya po.
Water gives life. Water is life. Enjoy the pure, refreshing taste of Awake purified drinking water, which comes in a uniquely designed bottle with a lemon green tap. Water is your perfect way to stay hydrated. And remember, for every bottle you buy, an amount will be donated to the National Cardiothoracic Center, Ghana. Awake purified drinking water, one for life.
For bulk purchase, contact 0262 351 251.
What the extra CSA?
Extra Tresse. Data be brave.
Minutes be brave. I'm never frame out of
data and expire.
Talk time be brave. I never want that from cry. Extra. extra. Che Airtel Tigo Mo extra. Extra data expired da. It will big time extra so. Extra minutes expired da. It will fuse extra so. And extra unlimited calls. Extra new. Now your bonus data for the expired da. You the film with your boss star 111 hash keke.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Chale, there's a faster and more reliable way to do mobile money. G-Money. JCB Bank's mobile money service gives you the freedom to send and receive money at the lowest rate from any mobile network just by dialing *422#. Check. The best part is you don't need to be a JCB customer to enjoy secure transactions with Ghana's safest bank and the widest branch network. Visit your nearest JCB branch or any branded G-Money agent with a valid national ID to register now. G-Money. Papa Naba. Chatum.
Onya ayo sigana wo hia no e wo nsem deda wo hia wo hia ne mobile phone lucky numbers any vim if you say enely at the daily 590 lotto aye nim ne ye no aba ye phone so eno nkoda afei wotumi bo network bia so bo *959# for adanu agudie a wo pe na wo betumi ato to sure pen direct ana banker every mobile money account nim wo take it no prekope na begu phone no so any wo enely daily draw results no and I'm SMS so onia se wutoshi oni boma eye wusika no mo ahe no ni aduanan sada no a wusika no ba wo mobile money account no so wait no long time no and ye won pay we dia and ye kanzo na wo bedi
dial *959# the CA netwa NLA 590 lotto ni bia wo phone so kai say we kwa any 590 mobile game and National Lottery Authority agia tumo play safe play responsibly kai say enhye kakra bata ho
Ago Ghana maya this year ampara COVID-19 yare no etuete se wo ye ban yi mu sina fie fa ba wo ho ban na wanya coronavirus ni bi wasi COVID-19 nsaya ano na gi amanfo nkwa ekono ni bufie aboboa no entitina fie wotina fie ba wo ho ban free COVID-19 ho a ye wankasa wo ban bontia.
Hey Timothy ba Timothy had to say
yo.
Hey, Timothy, can a corona ABC in the chairman?
Corona ABC. I blew so I buy a so my face, she said them. Be behind me, he say a boy, I want that I swear, and that's so true. Corona be for one board. See, coronavirus number chialka. Did you mean your family? Did you name vitamin A, B, C, D, F, E? Ain't the precious and when you're being a water? And you mean your rotation, Fiona, Winnie, F. Flimmy so called I'm a mamma, Yari, Jane, died Jimmy and the next nephew. H. Wowlon Sack, Passeminaya, Wowlon Sack, Passeminaka, Wowlon so. Passeminaya, Sanaya. I don't fear who Colonna no. June dear no be
hey for no casempa.
JJ time is sitting a fianca one how betting. K Kayo say for 2 Sam say also Leano Panum sure next nephew.
L
lockdown I was saying let me join the presidency in got town credit. Create 2 time on I didn't and no clear me sim say oh be anya madam for whom me chem oh by June
hey sisem
oh pambo usu bempa odru obofo ni obini baby omo wadi obini
P
petele sa no anya ya ni bi
kill
Valentine any Valentine ti maga ni coffee
R
rest in peace omo wina o ofie so rest in peace S still by June dear no
no changing no
by June dear
changing no
S science student away team say collade me who be that she dem I say I'm a science student o lecturer collade our cultural I T Titi will be catty to be chilling. Emma, many papa num the 83 comet triumph was. Say yes, you and heavy. You and I were not there, papa. I see me see a maintaining Cacola. Vin, very, I say unto you. Tinafie.
W.
Wow, but I knew wow, hint him, Catawano, winning. X, ray crying to me who are bueno, yo.
Y.
Samakayo dada.
Z.
Zongo minister and woho.
Right idea, boy, some more.
My miska.
Schoolboy. Hey, Timothy. Bra. Hey, Timothy had to say. Hey, Timothy. Can a Corona ABC in the chairman?
Corona ABCD. I blew so I buy a so I'm happy as she said them. Be behind he say a boy I want that I swear and the so true Corona be powerful. See, coronavirus number chialka. The year mean ya kwame the year nanya vitamin A B C D E ain't the precious and when you been in water and you mean ya rotation feel na uni flame so cockroach I'm a mamma ya really Jane Jimmy and next nephew H wall on sa Passeminaya wall on sa Passeminaka so Passeminaya Sanaya I don't fear who Colonna no J June dear no be
for no Casempa
JJ time yes it's a fianca one cow betting
K
Kayo say for 2 say also Leano Panum sure next nephew
L
lockdown I was saying now me doing say presidency in got town credit till time I didn't and no me simu say be anya madam for whom me chem by June
Sisem
Pambo usu bempa odro obo for ni obini
our brother secondary school
me cut down, I'm in responsibility. See me now, so my soul be the banana.
We a friend in you.
Be more than I'm ready to and tell me that me. So nobody jealous me, cause you love me alone and you don't want to do I see. Me so me pray Sarah, you want to see. Me don't see no other girl and them one way I don't should have me.
Akwane cartons. Send him mobile money. I shall say MTN Hona. What's sending between 1 city 200 Ghana and you free commission be any so.
Special order, you know you.
I have COVID-19 and Hotaba fee. MTN there to Swadia, sorry. Momo is faster, secure, and convenient. Just Momo it everywhere you go. And pharmacy Bomodian trial prescription those first send one more WhatsApp. The drone about gate nano, or door nano. Yabo Prumna Wajawadi, no train cat near call. Number is 0248
So if I never met you, what
410050 or 055 813 4375. With your offer and cry a very simple cry. Pacho, we hear data pa the way to me browser pa. Say social distancing no. I don't mean better when you know so the we have video call on them. I crowd the phone bit me show mu aka ho. And obi an twon break. Sobolo. Our brother go. Sobolo. Our brother my secondary school. Sobolo. Our brother go. Oh, I brought my secondary school. We here Airtel Tigo. Star 111 hash. Bring your data and go web browser Sabi. Airtel Tigo. Life is simple. At your live boy seminar now we hear wife be ho and safa be jale. Mama kwada ni jare fetu wo ho ye. Ebe pam bacteria ni viruses bi a wo ho mo timi a ho ato ye kama. Come seven countries say woman you obi and kasubom bia na fasika vere me na ye momo bre na my account na twasika to me come say omwa we yes ombu afa so share so say won fo bia amfa nyesa wa akọ ho so social media platforms so no verified. Won't publish any payments details via our platform so share so Awake purified drinking water no kwani ebe no make you know say you be special order you know be wholesale my love for you when it make me wanna take it to the promise Casapraco Company Limited na yenzu they say who say they never know say Awake purified drinking water one for life say who say they never say forever together stay tell them say you and me will leave 0262351251 Ebejo Awake one for life. Vodafone so dial star 700 hasha. 10 cities, Yabama 1.5 gig, 15 days. 20 Ghana 4 gig, 1 month. 50 Ghana 10 gig, 1 month. What do you understand? Just dial star 700 hash. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Macro Refrigeration, Bank of Africa, the African Bank with global reach. Awake mineral water and Airtel Tigo. Your friend is Tomboy. Sapon. Alice, and your birthday, happy birthday. Cause you love me alone and you don't want to do I see it. Means to me, people sorrow. Girl, them one way I rush on me. Also brush up on some many. Also brush up on some Massa boy, Mamma Qua Homano Susia and I'm a honorable Ebenezer Tete. Honorable Patrol last name in your bonnet saying Ebenezer Tete Cupualo. But I saw no MC or yellow crobble. Honorable, good morning.
Morning, Captain.
Nabi Boko dear.
Bajaboko.
My Camu statement in the Mania Jessa. Oh, Charlie. Mania Jessa. Mami mwansa ma why? Mwansa ma. Why are there papa? Pacho, what shall say?
Ode.
What shall say that? Na fe na mbe shall say.
We are kick-starting from tomorrow.
From tomorrow?
Yes, yeah, one final meeting in Ra. With the Health Emergency Committee. But yet, there are two jobs that are circulating. But from tomorrow, it will go to full operation.
And then about this directive, by
Captain. Mefa Akwenyeswa His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana. And now the Danko Kufado, where Jumapa, especially say Obama coronavirus in Abafom. And I see a hokra. The Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Next year, the Eastern Regional Minister. Next year, party from the party chairman, Dr. Bibra Apoti. And then executive police station for you. Captain Mpacho, Ocean Niama President, maybe a Guaquam. Especially this protocol, his weekly interaction on coronavirus to the nation. Our directives are on mine. One of the directives is that we should present a strategic plan as MCs to the Regional Coordinating Council and then the Regional Security Council. And non-tina me fa me meeting me subcommittee on security to take this decision. Hello.
Hello, na mpacho me wasu meeting.
Hello. Hello.
Honorable, what's the car? Hello, Honorable.
Hello.
What's the car?
Metonka.
Aha. Na mi busa senti Adom na ebegu district ni musa no. Wo ye, what is that directive ba bonten? Wo must start free ho na so mo da ho.
In fact, Captain, me di gu ono edije kakra. A man for to take kan ye comments in nyama nti. Me hu se district no atu din kakra because of the directive I issue. This is my in terms of compliance.
It's no a china. If you are not 12 no corner chassis.
Yes.
Thermometer said they were checking the idea no coins no when you be already.
But can hope you me
be checking for temperature no near the na ready and
the are ready as at me. In rana me bomb on the bed. As at me Jones is be ready. It is checkpoints, you know, you have money, immigration ni back over town. Health ni back over town, police back over town. Immigration were buying or foreign people every home system. Health for no check temperatures. Now police for now the usual thing of making sure that people observe the protocols, overloading, and then people who are entering the municipality.
Okay then. Manya ntse wo committee ntimi pese maji wo mbre bebre. Wonya shase ya china nkomo wo ho fi adwada so kono so nkomo ho. Ye be observe. Ye da sepa.
That's what you captain.
Yulo Krobo MC Honorable Ebenezer Tete Kupualo. And I would say semene no ebo nkomo. Ye nya ntse setema. So je ni bia bo post ni bi tu den. Francis Asemi Yen and TC no and to us. So Francis, good morning.
Good morning.
Net to Saint Francis.
Hello.
Me try to say
hey yo.
Good. Who are he say
I'm your General Hospital.
General Hospital. Then they see ye.
Pardon?
Then they see ye. Then they see.
Hello.
Francis, what's your name? Hello, Francis.
You see soldier for some soldier man shoot one of a policewoman in the duty.
They don't shoot you, no.
On here, you do anything. They just come. The soldier come on the night, and the policewoman come in the morning to the duty point, and the soldier man stand on the back of the woman police now. Before you realize, no, he's shooting in this thing, in legs.
When you know what barrier whole year, Jumana. But no whole year. And talk about the sea woman Tamana.
Hello?
And talk about the sea.
The network is not good.
Munya on Temenkai, I'm seeing Yana. Everyone body and a fee. Yamawati Mui, a Swibidi China for your dear. Muya Rem Kaka. Easter no china na be sha se nanka make carry anka Easter convention can you and they say ya ma point say nanka me ko park so ya ko hye instruments ni ade ne ya kase ni ko se de na ye wie enya amadesa but yes you ntimi nja wo sa enu nti no Easter service be ba so ewo wow station Adom 106.3 so china sha se china 10th April station no a station of the Cross and Communion service about 1:30 p.m. you be in a wiano Easter service no be share asie a wia donkro apemu ekosi no 9 and what you know you be mo ahome me da na fe kwasi ada resurrection service no be share asie anopa no nson apemu ekosi anopano nkono apemu so penny bishop yaw owusu ansa na ebedi sa dwumadi nyina nim ewo ye fidie so ntimoni ndi ekire ekira 1 na fei kwasiada 7:30 yem papa owusu ansa bedi enemu na fei yabo modia aboao na the Easter service number Otniel Nana Osei Ochri. I mean, from Nana Osei Ochri. So, I mean, Shrankam the smart neck, if you say Jabi, where Jabiti, I say. Nana, your birthday, when you're 5 years. Happy birthday. I mean, count on your kakaka. Ama, when you swadi hunu. And so, enye kesi no ma unim dia or the bon home buying. On kwasu shroud na umbutu so. Oma nyansa mra o tekrama so na nimdiye mbra wade yom onkukuru emfiri owu ni amane mu na oma wo nkwatenten enchen waja nyame nhyira na now say Autry on behalf of myself Jojo Bina Nyamiche Bless we all say happy birthday. Yes, yenya adajuna fe kwan be mo yebetimi akọ ye yembra wade temana fe yetimi akọ akọhwe se posinia etu akano no se bibia eye boko dia na fe ye bisamu ye na fe ye timi ama waso ate ba hye nso se kwasiada service no ebeba so kwasiada service no ebeba so. Honorable Kwame Duncan, Central Regional Minister, Nayo birthday. Happy birthday. Richard Techimenson say, or your regional secretary, so we show happy birthday. Say nyame on count ho. Pa nyame count ho, on count ho, on count ho, on count ho, on count ho. On count ho so ye. Don't show so ye. Also emasem de biara edda. De biara da. Nonduno wenya ba ne sa. Yapo. Yapo.